Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Pro, and the title of the video is "You're About to Get Lit. Cocky Suspect Meets Reality." Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man.
At 2 a.m. on a Saturday, officers noticed a shirtless man standing outside the doors of a closed business. These are the events that followed.
All right, bud. So here's the deal. It's a closed business. You can't loiter. All right.
I don't fuck about none of that, bro. So what we doing?
I'm asking you.
Hold on.
So
Send a snap before we go to the county. I'm on saying dick sucker from last night, right? That is it.
So I'm just asking. Are you in one of the
She
trucks?
gonna get lit. Where my mother? She gonna get dummy lit out of you, right?
All right, bud. So
Alright, what?
it's
What?
a closed business.
I think you said that before. I don't care. What?
Okay.
What we doing?
Well, I'm asking if you're going to dispel my concerns.
No. What's your
Okay.
concerns?
Okay, you're loitering in front of a closed business.
Okay,
You
why
have any
you
ID on
say,
you?
why you call back up for that?
Yeah, because I already had
Scared,
contact
because
with you.
you're scared.
Yeah, when you're talking about, escalating the situation like
Right?
that.
It's just gonna
So-
escalate.
Why is it going to escalate?
It's gonna escalate. Word to my moms, bro. Shit escalate.
It
So
doesn't
what's
have to
happening?
escalate. All I'm
What
just
we
making
doing?
contact with you. If you're here
Get
just
'em
chilling
ready.
on your phone,
Get them ready.
if you're here just chilling on
Get
your
'em
phone,
ready.
Who are we?
Get them ready.
Who are we getting ready?
I see you clicking on something. Get it ready.
Oh, it's my just my belt,
Oh, I
my
know.
belt buckle here. That's all it is.
What it is. I don't care what you grab.
What's going on?
What's
I'm-
happening?
I don't
You
know.
Y'all came here deck sucking me. I ain't bothering nobody. You want a deck suck? Let's get it popping, bro. Where my mom?
hey, just calm down.
Nah, bro. F that. You came here deck suck.
Hey, he ready to get it lit. Yo, these people is crazy, bro. But he said, I ain't bothering nobody. Let's get it popping. Like, oh boy, yo, boy, it sound good in theory. In his mind, it sound real good. You know what I mean? It's like, maybe I'm in better shape with these officers. Maybe they a little, they a little older or whatever. But listen, trust me, you might get a little win for like maybe a quick minute, 30 seconds or whatever. But when them boys come and they start pouncing on you, oh yeah, you gonna get your act together, boy, quick.
For no reason. It look like I'm trying to break in or something. Look like I'm trying to do some wild shit. I'm sitting here on my phone. What? What?
Listen, you're just here at a closed business. We're just
I
wondering
don't give a
what
where I'm
you're
at.
doing.
And I'm here and I'm
That's
not
all.
leaving. See, y'all drag me out
Wait,
this motherfucker, bro. Ain't do nothing to nobody, bro. I ain't causing no problems, bro. I come here every night, bro.
All right. So because we're going to proceed with the loitering and prowling aspect of you, I'm going to read you your rights, all right? I'm going to go from there. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say cannot be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before you answer any questions and have him or her present do any questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed before you for any question if you wish. You can decide to answer questions without a lawyer present. You still have the right to stop answering at any time. You have the right to stop answering questions anytime to talk to a lawyer. Do you understand the rights I just explained to you?
Hey, words you said, nor do I care about knowing what you talking about, bro. What we doing? Let me know.
Well, I'm asking you.
What are we doing?
Do you
Let me
want to
know.
provide
We
some
gonna get lit?
information?
Huh?
Why do you keep saying, what do you mean by that?
You know what the f I'm talking about,
No,
bro.
I don't. It's
Are
very
we gonna
simple.
get lit or not, bro? What's happening?
I'm
Let me
just
know.
asking for some information.
For what? I don't have to apply to nothing to you. I didn't do nothing to no.
It's funny when because the old time, the old time he probably dead serious. He like, I don't understand what you saying. You know what I mean? But he like, are we gonna get lit? He want to know if we are we gonna fight? Are we gonna have a problem? Like, he's like, I'm sitting here. I'm not trying to break in. But the problem is, it's private property. That's not public property. That's the problem. So, you can't really be there when the establishment is closed if they don't want you there. I don't know if anybody called or whatever the case may be, But that's really the problem. But the officer like, what is you talking about? Like, I don't speak, I don't speak that language. You know what I mean? But I get what he's saying. We get what he's saying. Is it gonna get lit? It gonna get it popping? Like, he ready to fight. He ready to fight.
I've already explained to you that you're loitering in front of a closed business.
Where does it say that? Where does it say
It's in
that?
Florida statute.
Huh?
It's in Florida statute.
I don't know nothing about that. So.
All right, well, I've explained to you.
I don't give a
And you're dispelling my concerns. I've asked if you were in one of the big rigs over there.
It doesn't apply to you.
It does.
Really?
You're loitering in front of a closed business.
Right.
All right?
Does it look like I'm trying to break in?
I don't know. I don't know if a crime's about
I'm
to
trying
be
to
committed,
sneak up on
has
behind
been
me, bro. Don't
committed,
do that.
or will be
I'm
committed.
not, bud.
That's why I'm out here stopping with you.
What?
That's why I'm out here stopping with you.
Right.
All right? Because a crime could be committed, had already been committed, or is in the process of being committed. So that's why Florida established something called loitering and prowling for law enforcement
What
to
does
stop
it
out
look like I'm
individuals.
going to do? I'm going to burn down in here?
You're
Is that what it
loitering in
looks
front
like?
of a closed business.
Okay.
Okay?
So if I wanted to break in this, Ben did it.
And
right?
instead of just walking away, being like,
And
okay,
I'm
I'm
not
just
going
hanging
to.
out
So
here.
what? I'm not going to. I'm not.
So
What we doing?
why are you being like this?
So I don't got nothing to lose, bro.
Why don't you
Feel
have
me?
anything to lose?
No, I'm not going to get into all that. Just let me know we going to get lit or what happened. So I'm not going nowhere, so you're going to have to do something to me.
Is there something that I can help you with then?
No.
Something you got going on? Something you need to talk about?
I'm just trying to help you out, man. That's all.
Not trying to overcomplicate the situation.
Gotta apply, act right, man. That's it. That's the only way it's going.
Y'all getting me tight now, bro.
Well, take a breath.
Nah, I don't need no breaths. Y'all starting to get on my nerves now. I didn't come wilding out in front of everybody for someone to call you, right? Probably just pass by, show me chilling.
Yeah.
Because you ain't got nothing to do. You want to come dick
It's
sucking.
called doing a business check.
No, you got plenty of stuff
And
to do right
yeah,
now,
we
bro.
check businesses to
You
make
got
sure
plenty of shit
that
to
no
do
one's
right
out
now
loitering
besides
or
worry about
prowling.
someone who's using the Wi-Fi, bro.
Okay, there you go. You're using the Wi-Fi. Is that unreasonable?
I
That's
don't have to tell you that.
You
I don't
kind of
have
do.
to.
You kind of do. You have to dispel
I
my
don't have to
concerns.
do nothing.
So now that
Word
we've
to
got
my
that
moms,
out,
I don't got to do
so now that
nothing.
we've got that out,
I'll go to the county right now.
why?
Let me know.
You just said you're using the Wi-Fi.
Word to my moms,
that
it don't matter,
unreasonable?
bro. I shouldn't even have said that.
Well, that's nothing bad. You're
I
using
don't
the
give a
Wi-Fi.
if it was
It's
bad.
just as simple. You can't be here when the business is closed.
I don't give a and I'm not leaving. So what? So what? So what?
What are you doing?
What we doing? Let me know.
Just calm down. That's it.
Let me know.
We're
What we
talking
doing?
right now. You were
Calm
using
You
the
got
down.
clicks
Wi-Fi.
on the head like you itching for something. What happened? I'm ready. Let's do it.
Like,
Why I'm telling you, work
Got
for
it.
my moms, you're gonna have to do mad paperwork. One of y'all go home on disability. When I pull that case out, it's a dub.
no one's doing anything right now. For you to be
I
like,
know you're not.
Okay.
He said one of them going on disability.
So we've established you're doing just Wi-Fi. Is there anything that brought you up here tonight?
Don't matter. Suck my dick, bro. Suck my dick. What we doing?
Dude, calm down. No reason for all this.
It's not. So get the out of here, bro. I'm not holding nobody. I'm not doing nothing, bro. When you pulled up, was I like this? Or was I sitting on my phone? I was sitting on my phone.
Okay. I'm gonna write it down.
Another one is, bro. One of my moms.
All right.
So what are we doing, bro?
You're not
Because now it's 3 to 1.
exactly. You're not talking.
Right.
You've only
Because you ain't want to do this before you had to wait for all the
get
backup. You know
small
what time it
things.
is.
Exactly. 'cause
I was
when you
like,
Uh-oh. That boy putting the gloves on.
Four.
Oh, it's lit.
That's a lawyer and prowling.
So far.
He's not dispelling my concerns. I've already read him his rights. It finally said that he's here to use Wi-Fi, but he says he's not going anywhere. He said that we're going to have to do paperwork. Someone's going on disability tonight. So,
Put him on arrest.
yeah.
5 minutes, turn off, change by back.
Hey, well, bottle fire for
I got it.
motherfucker, bro. Look, you got the taser already.
Yeah. So if you act stupid, you're gonna get tased. Just so you know that.
What's your name? Austin. Say less. Oh, no more.
Alright, you're being placed under
We
arrest
got
for
him in
loitering and
custody,
prowling.
sir.
Stupid ass shit, man.
Hold on, you can't pop all that and then just place your hands behind your back with no resistance, no nothing. Like, you should do that. Yes, you should. But the way that you was popping it, you was yapping like you was on that, and you just hold on. There's more to the video. Hold on, maybe he gonna get it lit in the cuffs. You hear me?
I know.
Ain't no way you quietly walk away like this.
Don't mean nothing to me, bro. Yeah. Look, you missed the tough guy when 4 guys come, right? You missed the tough guy when you pull that taser out,
If
right?
we have the manpower, why wouldn't we use it?
Yeah, why would I sit here and fight you? That's
Yeah.
all. I want you.
Because you're not like that.
And you
Because you
get hurt.
soft. Every one of y'all soft. You gotta get 4 motherfuckers on you. You know what I'm saying?
But the odds are our favor.
You can't see in my favor.
What's your name, bro?
Suck my dick, that's my name.
Oh, really?
I was already figuring that out.
Look, you wasn't talking like that till they came in. Stop, bro, stop. You wasn't
You
talking
think I'm
like
scared?
that.
I wasn't scared to begin with. I was just trying to reason with you.
know.
That's all I was trying to do.
You already said 215 or no?
I politely asked you what your name was. You told me to suck your dick.
15 for loitering and prowling.
You want me to lean on the pole? Why you pushing on me, bro?
I'm not even pushing on you. Let's walk around the back.
You stop, bro. You don't even fucking know me, bro. You act like this county something to me, bro. Be out.
Here, go ahead and walk real quick. Go ahead and widen your stance for me real quick. Alright, go ahead, kick out your slides for me. Alright, go ahead, take a seat. What's your name?
I'll be back out. I'm looking for Hartsman. Where to my mother? And your family.
Really?
Yeah, really. Okay. Make it out there. I don't give a bro. Because it's not a threat. It's a promise. I'm going to see you when I get out.
Okay. What's your name? What's your name? Your name?
Roll it.
Bud.
What's your name?
Suck my dick.
Alright. We booked under John Doe.
No, I got his deal right
Oh, you got his
there.
deal? He's got his license? Alright, cool.
Also,
Also, even better. Let's try another charge. Yeah, we're going to charge him with.
You assaulted him. I'm in fear that he's going to come after me. So we're going to do the assault charge.
No, that's why I definitely called for somebody else. And I rolled up and, hey, what are we doing? And he's like, let's go. Will you let me tell me? I'm like, oh, okay, that's how we're going to play. So I pulled over there, pulled the thing, asked for him.
The sergeant in fear for his life. Oh man, yeah, he shouldn't have said that, but he really don't care though. Honestly, the whatchamacallit, the inmate or the suspect, whatever you want to call it.
So I'm going to assault on a law enforcement officer as well.
Or isn't it threats illegal?
Such a Leo,
There's
right?
no threats. There's no threats to the charge.
Huh?
Yeah, didn't they make one?
There's a threat on a public servant.
Yeah.
Is it?
It's
Yeah.
felony.
I've never seen it.
I used it 3 times already.
How is it that crossed the back forever? That really
That's kind of what it is.
This guy mad tough when the backup pulled out.
So what do you? What
What are you
is your?
looking at like that for, bro?
So what's the deal with the family?
Bro, oh.
So we got his info right.
Yeah.
We'll
Got
have
the
to-
info, you got everything. Close it, something like that. Please.
Nah, I want you to get bit up by mosquitoes like the rest of us. So
Like corrupt down south shit, right?
sure, why not?
That.
So where are you from?
My mother's house.
My mother's house. Yeah. You hear that? This is my mother's house.
He's from your mom?
Yeah, that's what he said.
Hey, that's a great party.
All right, my man. Well, you caught yourself some charges tonight, so no doubt, bro.
Couple
Have a good one.
felonies.
So what's the charge?
Well, you got the loitering and prowling.
What, threat of an officer or something?
Yeah, you got the threat of a public servant, the possession of controlled substance, and then obstruction, which is like resisting with that for not identifying yourself.
Wow, y'all some balls.
Man, I don't know if you're having a bad night. Like I said, I don't know if you're having a bad night, but it would have just been like, hey, you can't be here. You're using your Wi-Fi. I would have probably just let you go. You know what I mean?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.